Hello guys, be here with Whimsy stamps, and today we're going to be making a super fun superhero card. And for these we're going to be using the Comic Burst A2 die set. I am going to use both outlines for my stamps. This one is the BAM Your All outline die set, and this one is the Oh Snap outline die set. This is one of the stamps we're going to be using. This is the Oh Snap that goes with that one of the outline dies, and this one is the BAM Your Old, and we're going to use these paper pack comics. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here I have my card base. I have chosen black. I usually go with either black or white most of the times, but my card base measures 11.5 by 4.25. I'm gonna set this aside. Then I have chosen this paper for the background. I want to make kind of like a city in the back, and then the light of the sky back there. And then I have chosen this amazing paper, you guys. These papers are also, amazing. So with this, I'm also going to be using the Comic Burst A2 die set, and we're gonna go ahead and center it. You can do anywhere, because this part is going to come out, and you can actually use this part as your background and make a shaker out of this, but I'm not going to use the middle part, so it doesn't really matter where. I do want to save this little piece of paper. Let's see, let's go and do it that way. And because because I have a Gemini, I want to secure my die in the position that I want it, so my die does not move in my die cutting machine. Okay, so here I have both of my papers already cut, this one with the die, and then this is the backing paper, and this one measures 5.25 by 4. So this one I'm gonna set it aside because I want to add dimensionals to that. This paper, it's gonna go here, center it right there. You can adhere it right now, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're gonna set this aside. Do not use this one just yet. That goes at the end. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and stamp my images from this set, which is the BAM Your Old. I'm gonna use the city, and I'm also going to use the outline for that city. And then from the Oh Snap set, I am gonna use the girl flying down or up, but I think she's flying down. She's gonna be flying up. And then I want to do like a scene where she's like, she comes down, she's like walking, and then she just stands there. So I think we have enough space in the car for that, and not sure exactly what sentiment I'll use, but you'll see that at the end. And I'm also going to use the outlines for the girls. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to speed through this part. I am using Memento Tuxedo Black because I'm coloring with alcohol markers, and I don't want my ink to smear. Even though you use this ink, let it dry a little bit before you actually color. Okay, so here are my stamp images. I had to stamp her twice because I made a mistake there, and you can see the line. She does not look okay. So I'm gonna color these three. Maybe some of the windows I color them as well, like the light is on. And make sure that you pay attention to the top corner right here, because that's where I am going to show you what marker I am using. Let's go ahead and color. Okay, so now my images are colored. I am happy how they look, and now I'm gonna use both outlines to cut these three out, and also the city. Here are all my images. Now let's put it all together. Okay, so here I have, this is gonna go here with foam tape, but I want to add my city before I add that. So I want to make sure that I'm adding it in the right place. Can add it a little bit up because she's gonna go here. She's gonna go like here, coming down. Okay, a little lower than that. That should be a good place there. So I'm just gonna put my finger there, remove this part, and then just add my glue to the back of it, like so. So now I'm gonna add here some dimensionals. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the BAM outside, and inside the car I am going to use the You're Super Old, My Marvelous Friend. I got a piece of the same pattern paper, and I'm just gonna add it here and cut the excess. And this is how my card turned out. She'll open it and find that super funny message. I will sign it and add a little message of my own there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.